Hello, everybody. No matter how strange it may sound, our body needs water in winter no less than in summer, maybe even more. Therefore, regular tea drinking in a snowy forest is not my whim, but a necessity. And there is several options. You can carry thermos with tea or boiled water. You can carry kettle and make a fire in the forest. You can use multi-fuel burner. Gas doesn't burn well in the cold. That's why I say multi-fuel burner, but not gas stove. I don't recommend gas in the winter time. 1 liter thermos with its contents weight about 1.5 kilo, but gives you a tea just within 1 minute after you stop. A light teapot weighs less than 100 grams, but you will drink tea after half an hour if you start the fire. And this is not always possible, and not everyone succeeds from the very first time in that. The multi-fuel burner also have weight, and the fuel stinks when it leaks, and in general it's not my thing. And that's why I often use a turbo stove in winter when it's cold. And that's what today's video will be about. My big turbo stove have a weight 850 gram, but there is a smaller version on the market. The stove has legs, which you can use, not to use. Let's go for a fire mode. Dead branches are covered with snow and quite wet, and they will not light up so easy in the open fire. And I think that will be enough. Step 1 is to break the thinnest branches, rub them in birch bark, and set them on the fire with a lighter. Here you can see a turbine which has 2 batteries and provide 2 regime of burning. We fire up the stove at low speed. And yes, I use a lighter and birch bark. I prefer to make fire without all that sex and voodoo magic with flint and steel. By the way, both magic and sex are equally likely there, but I wanted just to drink tea. Now we add fuel little by little until it flares up. And now we can switch our stove to the tube regime. Here you can see how the height of the flame increases and opposite amount of smoke decreases in turbo regime. And there is no smoke anymore. Almost no smoke. It's not the smoke, it's vapor, steam, and we can take time, check that. Now we can add more fuel to the stove and more snow to the kettle.
Six minutes from snow till boiling water. There is about 700 ml of water. Okay. We can take it off, switch it off. It's good to take off one battery like that to prevent from switching. Okay, so that we can just throw away. Nice. Just a little bit of tea. Video will be more funny if I make it like that. $15 so from wood collection till tea drinking, 15 minutes. Easy. So nice. Okay.
And that's all for today. See you next time, next videos. Bye.